Hi guys, welcome to Team TechDom. In this video, we're going to look at exercise 4.6, which is odd numbers, and it's from the book Python Crash Course by Eric Matisse. So let's dive in. Exercise 4.6, odd numbers. Use the third argument of the range function to make a list of the odd numbers from 1 to 20. Use a for loop to print each number. Let's do this in Spider. Okay, so I'm going to create a list of numbers, odd numbers, specific. So using the range function, which is 1, and since I'm stopping at 20, I'm going to specify the stop number to be 21. I can make a list. That's to convert this to a list. So I'm supposed to specify the third argument in this range function, and that's going to be 2. So 2 is the step size. So it's going to generate a series of number from 1 to 20, but it's going to skip it by 2 steps. So for instance, you're going to have 1, then skipping by 2 steps, the next number is going to be 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, all the way to 20. So if it's going in this fashion, that means it's going to create a list of odd numbers because my start index is 1 and the step size is 2, so that's 1, 3, 5. So let's use the for loop to print out the numbers. So for number in odd numbers, print number. Yeah, let's run this. Okay, so here you have it. The output we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So the step size is just going to add 2 to the to the initial number. So this is 1. You add 2 to 1, you get 3. Add another 2 to 3, you get 5. And this gives us a list of odd numbers. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. See you when I see you.